Word 51. Continue. Continue means to keep doing something without stopping. Example, continue reading the book. Repeat after me. Continue reading the book. Continue. Continue reading the book. Word 52. Set. Set means to place something in a particular position. Example, she sets the cup on the table. Repeat after me. She sets the cup on the table. Set. She sets the cup on the table. Word 53. Change. Change means to make something different or become different. Example, I change my clothes. Repeat after me. I change my clothes. Change. I change my clothes. Word 54. Lead. Lead means to guide or direct people. Example, she leads the team. Repeat after me. She leads the team. Lead. She leads the team. Word 55. Understand. Understand means to know the meaning of something or understand an idea. Example, I understand the lesson. Repeat after me. I understand the lesson. Understand. I understand the lesson. Word 56. Watch. Watch means to look at something carefully for a period of time. Example, we watch a movie. Repeat after me. We watch a movie. Watch. We watch a movie. Word 57. Follow. Follow means to go after someone or obey instructions. Example, follow the teacher. Repeat after me. Follow the teacher. Follow. Follow the teacher. Word 58. Stop. Stop means to stop doing something or stop moving. Example, stop talking, please. Repeat after me. Stop talking, please. Stop. Stop talking, please. Word 59. Create. Create means to make something new. Example, she creates a beautiful drawing. Repeat after me. She creates a beautiful drawing. Create. She creates a beautiful drawing. Word 60. Speak. Speak means to say words or communicate using your voice. Example, she speaks English well. Repeat after me. She speaks English well. Speak. She speaks English well. Excellent work. Let's review the 10 verbs you just learned. Continue. Continue reading the book. Set. She sets the cup on the table. Change. I change my clothes. Lead. She leads the team. Understand. I understand the lesson. Watch. We watch a movie. Follow. Follow the teacher. Stop. Stop talking, please. Create. She creates a beautiful drawing. Speak. She speaks English well. Now let's say the verbs one more time. Continue. Set. Change. Lead. Understand. Watch. Follow. Stop. Create. Speak. Fantastic! You have now learned 60 common verbs. Only 40 more verbs to go. Let's continue with the next 10 verbs.